Hi friends, Assalamualaikum. How are you all? In today's video, I will share how you can take care of your hands and make them soft, beautiful overnight. So guys, I'm going to share 2 easy steps to remove fine lines and wrinkles on your hands and to make your hands visible, lighter, smoother, plump and soft. So in the first step, I'm going to share an anti-aging scrub. For anti-aging scrub, you need 2 simple ingredients. So the first ingredient that you need is sugar. Sugar works wonder on rough, dull and damaged skin. So take around 1 spoon of sugar and you can also grind it if you want. Otherwise, you can use as it is. Now add 1 to 2 spoon of coconut oil into it and make a fine scrub for your hands. Coconut oil is great anti-aging oil. It reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and spots on your hands. Before applying this scrub, make sure your hands are clean and washed with lukewarm water. Then apply the scrub gently in your hands on circular motion for at least 2 to 5 minutes. This homemade scrub helps in removal of dead skin cells, tan and impurities from your hands. You can also use these scrub for your feet. Once you have done your scrubbing, you can wash your hands with a lukewarm water. After scrubbing, you will notice that your hands are so soft and nourished and wrinkle free and also tan free. You will notice only with one application of the scrub. Now moving on the next step, here we made a hand moisturizer. You can also use these 2 things for your feet also. To prepare you need 2 simple ingredients. One is desi ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can also use butter or cream. So take a bowl and take 1 teaspoon of ghee. Ghee have qualities of making hands soft, beautiful, wrinkle-free and fair. Now add 1 spoon of olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil, any oil you have at this time. This will nourish your skin and make your skin younger and soft. You have to apply this moisturizer every day before going to bed. Just after 2 to 3 use, you will notice a numerous change on your hands and feet. You can store this moisturizer for a long time. By application of 1 week, you will get your hands beautiful and attractive. Must try and follow these 2 tips and like my video. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel for motivation and support, and also share this tutorial with your family and friends who wants this, because sharing is caring. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye.